I ain't coming home. Sensual seduction.
Girl, eating lipstick. I can taste it. I can taste it.
Hello. Welcome back to our channel, guys. Hey.
Hi.
So today we're bringing you the NYX lingerie line of lips. And we saw that y'all needed some more variation of color.
Oh my gosh.
So here's our light skin. Her name is La Miracle.
Hi.
Follow her on her socials.
Yes, beautiful miracle
Right
underscore.
Yeah, we're gonna put it right. We're gonna edit it.
Yeah,
Okay,
we're
yeah,
gonna put it right there. So if y'all want to see how it looks on different colors of chocolate, make sure you stay tuned.
Your passion can be hard and it's only two but everything I need between those eyes. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit of you, I feel it.
Thumbs up on this one.
I'll take my time, got to be thankful that I had it for of you. Before it winds down into the race, it's all just a race. Don't you ever come around? You ever take it down? Don't you ever come around? Don't you ever take Ooh, what if I let you? Oh yeah, baby. Ooh, what if I let you? This feels like summer. Boy, baby, it feels so alive. Just be my lover.
Bro, it looks so different.
Right.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
I'm
it
looking
looks
at her.
really like a
Beetle
lighter
juice
grayish looking
Right.
color.
Like her. So we're all done, and we just have on ones that we like. After I like this chocolate one, you know, this chocolate. After hours. The lighter ones have a really like pasty consistency. They go on pretty much like chalk. It takes
It
like
looks dry.
10 layers to get it on even.
Terrible.
And then it goes super patchy in the middle, so lighter colors not really recommendation. But the darker colors are really nice. They're really pigmented. But these are also like super dry, so you need to have on a lip balm or a chapstick underneath.
Some
Moisturize.
Vaseline, something, because they're dry.
And if your boo wanna kiss you,
Don't
good
do
luck.
it. Because
Don't do it. And y'all gonna be sticking because it's
Oh,
kind of
it's stuck.
sticky.
Yeah.
Like the lighter colors are really sticky.
oh, can't pull apart. I like Delicate Lust. This is what I have on right now. I think it looks really good. It's a nice grayish color. It's not too dark, not too light, just right. Yeah.
These run about $7.99. You get them at the beauty supply. Get them NYX store, obviously.
Spot on.
You'll need like a lip liner. All
Yeah.
of them will need like a
Yeah,
dark
finesse.
brown lip liner.
Yeah. Definitely try them on though, because they look really different on than how they look in the bottle. So try it on before you buy it, because
They're catfishing.
they really are.
And if you wanted to get a lighter color, you can always put it in the middle, in the center, so you know, do a little ombre.
Okay.
So stay tuned for our next video on our last NYX line of lips.
Well, this is fun. Thanks, guys, for having me.
Yeah, thanks Miracle for joining us.
Yay.
Be our light skin.
Okay.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Definitely subscribe.
Yes, subscribe, guys.
She said it, so y'all
Y'all gotta keep up. Like, you don't want to miss out on
Hit
all
the
this shopping.
bell.
Come on.
The bell.
Okay, thanks, guys.
Bye.